What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? My name's Ravi Bright Jones, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, Charlie, it's been a long time since I did a video because I've been so tight. Like, I don't really even get the time to come here and give you guys, tips and what have you. But then, I've got some free time on my hand from now till probably next month or something. So yeah, you guys should expect more videos coming ahead. Okay, so today we're doing a quick tutorial on a tool, or should I say a tool, probably a plugin that has been ignored for long. Yes, what you're looking at here is an image of a lady I copied or downloaded from Google. Yes, and this is the original image. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to transform or wrap around, reduce sizes of stuffs. I don't know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, as you saw in the thumbnail, I'm going to reduce the size of the hip of the lady. Yes, and also I'm going to teach you, should in case you are editing an image and a person has a big stomach or something like that, how you're going to go about it and everything. So yes, first of all, you're going to select the image. Make sure that the image is selected. Then you move on to filter, you move on to liquify. Image, you select the image, you move on to filter, then you go to liquify, and this is what you're going to see. Come on, I didn't want the lady's face to appear, but it seems whatever. Let's move on. So when you get into liquify, this is all you're going to see. There are a lot of options here, and there are a lot of options on this other side. This side is more like tools in the liquify plugin alone. You understand? And it says forward warp tool for the first one, reconstruction tool, smooth, like it's a whole lot. Okay, so what we're going to do is the shortcut that you can use to reduce and increase the size of the brush. You're going to use that one to make sure you have like a very cool opening for the brush, something like this. Then you're just going to click and drag. You understand? That is basically what the move tool, did I say move tool? No, what the liquify tool can do. So mostly if you work in a smaller version, it works like this. You understand? And it's not the best. That is why I've increased it to a normal size, which can work well for what we're doing. I really don't want the lady's face to come because I don't want trouble. Probably she might see this video and be like, you are using my picture for whatever purposes, and I'm not whatever. Yes, so you open the image, you make sure the brush is quite bigger like this, then you just wrap around it, and yes, that is one of the one of the tools here in the liquify option. Yes, and there's another thing here that says 12 clockwise, and this is basically you clicking and whatever the effect is going to twirl in like a clockwise manner. You can also do it in an anti-clockwise manner and everything. And there's another tool here that says packer tool. The packer tool is more like you see, this is the one that you can use it to reduce somebody's stomach. I was trying to get an image of someone with huge stomach, but then I couldn't get some. The ones that I was getting, it was too much, and you see, YouTube wouldn't allow you to be showing skin and all those things. But all the same, let me try and apply this to the chest of the lady. It's more like this. Probably this is let's for example, this is where the person's stomach is, and you want to reduce it. You just select the packer tool. You just take it there. You click and you hold, and it just works like that. Yes, and there's another opposite tool of the packer tool. That is bloat tool. Even the name explains itself. It says bloat. So you just place it to where you want it to place it, then you just click on it, and you see it is bloating that area, and it's making that area quite bigger. You understand? Yes. So basically, the liquify tool is more like the liquify plugin is more like some kind of effect that you can apply to images by warping them into your preferred area or whatever. You get a point. Yes, but then there are a lot of options here, or a lot of tools here that I haven't really had the time to go through. But then the main use for the liquify plugin is this one, the forward warp, the placker, the 12, and the bloat, Yes, and the others two can work. You see, we have the smooth tool here and the reconstruct tool here. I haven't really had time to go through, but then if you want to, reconstruct somebody's image using this kind of effect, you have to use the liquify tool and you are good to go. Yes, so today's video is not going to be that much. Let me just click on OK so that you guys can see the effect. And 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, so you see this is what we're having here, and I have the on and off thing here. Let me just turn it on and off. So there's the original image and this is the edited image. Yes, so basically the liquify tool is used for reducing and adding. If you want to add some weight to an image, or if you want to reduce the weight of an image or whatever, I can even reduce the hand to like a normal size, you understand? Yes, so guys, that's it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yes, there's another thing I want to ask you guys. I'm out of topics, seriously. My topics are all done. I have a few, but then it requires a lot of planning, and right now I'm moving to a new place and it's not done and everything, so I don't want a huge complex video that is going to take my time and everything. So I'm pleading on you guys, if you have any topic that you want me to do a tutorial on it, please leave the message or leave that topic in the comment section, or send me a DM in my IG or if you have my WhatsApp number, you can send me a message there and give me a topic on the kind of tutorial you want me to do. Yes, because I'm really out of topic here. Yes, okay. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.